Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope everybody had an awesome week. I'm popping on here, getting my studio set up. I'm gonna have a really awesome studio. Exciting news. I am with a new company, and this company is very creative, creator friendly. So, my realtor partners out there who are in Wichita, you're in store for awesome times. We're going to have a studio where we can create you online content. We can set up a lead generation system for you, many things, and just some awesome things going on. So, hey, I'm Ryan with Planet Cheapskate. Welcome to the channel. I pop on here and I do rate updates every Friday going into the weekend. So if you're out there looking for houses, you can kind of see what the average rate is looking like. You want to take this to your bank, you want to take it to your credit union. Say, hey, this is the rate that Ryan was able to give. I make 50 of the most competitive priced banks compete all over the United States, and I want you to match it. So no guarantee that they will, but at least you have some tools in your arsenal that you can take to them and see if they'll lower that margin a little bit. So uh, other than that, I'm not quite prepared to announce my new move, but just know that I'm with a new company, and I have some awesome updates that I'm going to be giving to you each week. Uh, I think there's going to be some awesome opportunities for me. I know a lot of my subscribers are not in Kansas, so there's some big news coming down the pike regarding that. And I don't want to announce it yet. It's a little bit premature, but there's going to be some awesome opportunities. So, with that said, I'm still in the works to get some realtor classes going. So if you're realtors out there, I'm going to have those going. I'm going to teach you guys some marketing stuff. Big plans. Have a studio planned, and but yeah, let's get right to these rates because they're looking pretty sweet. Now, these are not rates that you can go into a bank or credit union and get. These are rates that I get by making 50 of the most competitively priced lenders compete all over the United States. And then what I do is I share the one who's given the best price. This is for a 30-year fixed. And what I do is I share the rate and I share the APR. It's a 30-year fixed. I take an average borrower, so like 250,000, and then like a credit score of like 700, and then I tell you what the average 30-year fixed is for that. So without further ado, let's get right to these rates. The conventional 5.375 with an APR of 5.645. FHA is at 4.5 with an APR of 5.495. VA is at 4.5 with an APR of 4.695, and USDA is at 4.5 with an APR of 4.939. So there's the rates. I didn't write it down, and I lost my little book that I was tracking it, but I do believe that those are quite a bit lower than we had last week. So market's moving in the right direction. If you're out there and you're thinking about buying a house, if you're thinking about selling your house, you need to list it, because uh, I have some analytics that I track. I have some statistics that I track, and it's telling me that we are going to experience a flip probably somewhere around the winter of this year, maybe possibly going into 2023. So if you're thinking about listing, you need a list. If you are thinking about buying, now is a good time. Rates are trending down. I think the overarching trend is going to be up on the rates. However, we have a little brief moment here where the rates have been trending down. I think the Fed is slated to meet again in September. And usually when the Fed meets, rates go kind of crazy. So you do not want to wait till then. If you are wanting to move in the good weather, if you're wanting to take advantage of a brief period of lower rates, then now is your moment. I'm seeing a lot of my FHA borrowers get their offers accepted, VA borrowers getting their offers accepted, where before it was just conventional and cash. So now's your moment. And hey, Denise, thanks for tuning in. Now's your moment. A lot of you catch this on the loop, and if you need anything whatsoever, reach out to me. and I would be happy to help you out with anything. If you want a behind the scenes look at my life, things that I share kind of behind the camera, uh, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I post on there a lot of things that I don't really do on here. This is kind of high and tight for me. I keep it pretty business professional. On my Instagram, I kind of wear a different hat, maybe a little bit of a mullet. Business in the front, party in the back. So uh, tune into that for behind the scenes. We also have a Facebook group you're welcome to join too, that you can find properties that maybe not out there on the market. We also have a lot of good advice. I post my videos on there, so you're never going to miss out on those. I'm excited. This community is growing. Our goal is to take this clear to the moon, and we're going to do that. And big plans ahead. Big plans. So tune in. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. I want to build this thing. My dream is to build a community where we can all help each other out, because there's no reason that we need to be stressed out during this process. This is something that we can help each other out with, because no matter what you're going through with your home loan, someone else has been through that. And no matter what someone else is going through, you may have been through that. So subscribe, join the community, join the Facebook group, be an active member, and we'll grow this thing and we'll build it. And tune in next week, because I got some awesome, exciting news. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of teasers going forward on my plans, but I think it's a move in the right direction, and I'm excited. I'm stoked. I'm ready to rock and roll. So come join us, subscribe, and let's go straight to the moon. All right. Talk to you guys later. Hope you have a happy and safe weekend, and we will see you next week.